Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $4253.95. And if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. But this particular week we have seen there is a huge rise, making a half around $43.92 and a low of around 39.91. Okay, this is around $400 movement we have seen in this particular week. Okay, now if you look at this trend, what we have seen from around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 weeks, there is a continuous upside. Okay, and this was the pattern which I have clearly explained you, and the volume of change we have seen at this particular level, that is where I've told you that we can see a further upside movement continuously higher. Now what we can see, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and our telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, there is a clear pattern has formed for around when the price was around 21 $2. That is where the price was moving in the zone in a U pattern. But after that the pattern has changed, and this was the pattern it was following. This is the particular pattern it was following. Now if we look at this particular trend, what we have seen, a candle is forming, a hammer is forming, but this wing is around high. Okay, so probability can be high. What we can see, suppose if it started forming a swing at this particular level, so you have to remember that a level of 4063 is a strong support. So if this is the support, if the price started falling below this level, we can see a further fall. But if it keep moving above this level and touches a level of $43.88, we can see there can be a further rise movement. Okay, so remember, as soon as the price touches a level of $43.88, you can trail your SL by $15 to $20. Okay, or $20 to $25, because if you are trading on a higher side when the price is on all-time high, we can see there can be a further rise. So by trailing your SL by 20 to 25 or $15 to $20, you can at least capture a big movement towards an upside if the price touches 4450 to a level of 4450 to a level of 4500, and if it started going towards a level of 4550 to a level of 4600, and if the price going above this level, we can see a level of 4650 to a level of 4700, and then a further upside movement. Okay, like what we have seen in this particular week, around $400 movement, we can see next week if it started going upside, maximum of $200 if it going upside. But if it started coming down, we can see that if it started falling below a level of around $40 $63, we can see there can be a further fall. Okay, so suppose if the price started going down, what we can see, remember that as soon as the price touches this all-time high, keep trailing your SL. That is the best thing you can do. But if the price started falling below this level, and move, because the next support coming at a level of around $63, which is support one, and once started going below this level, the next support coming at a level of $39.93. Okay, that is a support 2, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further fall can be seen towards $38.89. This is support 3, and once started falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around, we can see the next level at $37.96, and if the price falling below $37.96, a further fall can be seen towards $37.61. Okay, and if the price fall below $37.61, a further fall can be seen towards $37.15, and then a further fall. Okay, again I repeat, if the price started falling below this level, it can touch a level of $63, and if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen towards a level of around $39.93, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be seen towards next level of around 38.89, and from there a further fall can be seen towards a level of around, after 38.89, to a level of around next support of around $37.96, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards 37.61, and from there a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around 3703. These are the support. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, we can see a further fall. So keep trailing your SL. If the price started falling below this particular level of around 63 dollars, okay, chances are very high by 15 to 25 dollars, or 15 to 20 dollars, or 25 to 30 dollars, okay, depending on your on the volatility. So keep your quantity as per that, SL as per that, and target as per that. Okay, these are the three things that you have to keep it in mind. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. And if you're new to my